Hey, what's up guys? Today we are doing an unboxing video for Neewer lights. So before I start, this video is not sponsored by Neewer. I just bought them from Amazon and I just thought I'll unbox them and we can see how they look like. So let's open it. So inside the box, as you can see. So the reason I bought these lights, and let me see if they have got, yes, absolutely. So they have got these nice LEDs there and you can put this white sheet, and they also actually come with blue, and let's see what all colors they had on their website. So they have a blue, they have yellow, and they have red. So basically you can put these sheets in here and create the lighting effect. So that's what my purpose, so that's why I bought it. It looks already nice. So let's see what else is in the box. So we have two of the same kind of lights, and then looks like they have a remote for on and off. The good thing that I liked when I was ordering them was that they have a dimmer. You can just brighten them up, dim as per your needs. Alright, so there are some more sheets, some more different color sheets, and then they have a manual. Looks pretty simple. As far as assembly is concerned, nothing much. So let's see what they have got underneath here. Oh, wow. So it looks like they have these tripod. Alright, so in terms of assembly, there isn't much. Basically, there are 4 parts to it. This is the stick, main stick. It's extendable. You can basically extend it up to your height needs. And this is kind of a tripod that goes underneath it. It's just a screw. You can just screw it in and it just gets fixed. It's got a nice handle here. If you don't screw it, basically you can use it as a selfie stick. And third thing is this thing that goes on top of it. So basically you can screw this in, and finally the light goes on top of it, which is again nothing. You can simply turn it and screw it in. So not much in terms of assembly, just 4 parts. So I'll just set up one and show you guys how it looks like. Alright, so I fixed one and you can see here is how it is looking like standing on its tripod. So basically it looks very nice for a tabletop light that you can adjust and put different color sheets and make videos. Now let's check out the different colors and light effects of it. So let me test how different colors show up. This one is white, so now I'm gonna put yellow and let's see how it looks like, what kind of effect it gives. Whoa, wow, nice. I'm sure when I install both of them they will even look more nicer. So this was yellow. Let's try the blue sheet, and yep, wow, look what a nice effect it can give to your unboxing video. Already when I started this video, and now you can see how nice this thing is looking. Let's try the last color, which is red, and see how it looks like. Wow guys, this is really amazing. So I know as I mentioned, the qualities look okay, but this feature of having different lights, that's gonna really help me create very nice unboxing videos. So here I tried something even more creative. This light, what I've done is in one of the light I put the red sheet, and in one of them I put the blue sheet. So you can already see, that's my light. You won't believe I was using this light when I started the video to make it, and look at the difference already. So this is gonna really look nice and cool in an unboxing video. You can see red effect coming from here and blue coming from one side, and I guess you can also mix sheets. So basically, alright guys, that's all for today. I hope you liked this video, and I hope you are also making good unboxing videos. If you have any questions, please leave in comment. I will try to answer them. Thanks for watching.